watching our course and before is very much wherever we are. But what is some done? What punishment is proper? What will happen to those who break the rules?
Except for possessive pronouns. Subject pronoun I, possessive me. Subject pronoun you, possessive you. Any more questions?
Ma'am, we understand.
How about the group assignment I gave last week?
Everything is going well, ma'am.
Since you all really understand this material, I will end this lesson. I hope you all have a nice day.
So, we're still doing the group work at my place today.
Yeah, we need to finish it quickly so it doesn't take too much time.
Alright then, I'm going first to prepare the thing we need later. Okay, I'll come with the author after we finish the reading copy. Guys, I'm so sorry I cannot join together. It's something urgent. Can I join in the group work tomorrow instead? It's okay, just finish what you need to do so you can join us tomorrow. Okay, thank you. Bye bye guys. Bye.
Be careful on your way home, Bruna.
You too. See you guys. Mom, my friend offered to forest the
Of course, as long as they get politically when they're here.
Thank you, Mom. I'll do them.
Shit, I'm so tired today, but what can we do? We have many excitements.
Right? I cannot even rest at home because of all the homework.
Hell, I think I'm going insane thinking about it.
Same.
Isn't there enough place? What floor is it on? Stop arguing, guys. Suna is on the third floor and we just need to go up because we're already waiting in of her door.
Oh shit, I need to go to the bathroom.
You bastard, you are shut house. Damn it, can you do shut up? Dina, quickly find a toilet around here. We're waiting for you.
Shit, so dark. Is this even the toilet?
Sammy, this is definitely not a toilet.
Wow, she's taking forever in the toilet. Right, unbelievable. Should we go check on her? Finally, why were you so long in the toilet? What were you doing, idiot? We've been waiting forever, you know.
You're the idiot. I was only good for a moment.
You are the one being annoying. Anyway, let's go upstairs and try it.
This house looks really creepy.
Yeah, look at the railways. That was so creepy.
It's like a building that has not been lived in for a long time.
Ha, fuck you, right.
It's so ugly for its shape. Mom, I think my friend has arrived.
Then go tell them to come in.
Okay, moms. Come in, everyone.
Alright, Mama.
I hope all of you be noisy while you're here. Yes, really.
Yes, I won't be allowed. Me too.
But let's begin.
The assignments are so hard. Such bullshit. Actually, Kellen hasn't even studied. She's been playing games the whole time.
Yes, please don't say like that.
Sorry, Rona.
Why can't you say like that here? If I say don't, then don't. Runa.
Huh? You're insane. Where did you get this photo? Plastic. Idiot. You took a picture of me? Look at that. Ugly.
He's hard to yell. Damn it! Don't act stupid! This is not your house! Stop acting like fool!
No need to yell. Are you mad just because of your makeup? You're overreacted, Dinara. It was an accident.
Yup.
Hey, you are being rude. Is the person? Con? Or did I just imagination it? Shit! You're crazy! Why you are standing behind me? What are you doing here? I'm not just looking scenery around in the house. How can you enjoy scenery if you're really particular blaming? We are the bosses. Bastard! You're also super ruminous. Come here for a moment.
Yes, Mom, what is it?
Give this to your friend.
Wow, thank you so much, Mom.
Eat together with your friend outside.
Alright, Mom, thank you.
What did you bring, Rona?
Looks delicious.
I wanted to try.
And I bought it for all of you.
Come here.
Yes, what's it?
Please tell your friend to keep quiet here.
I already told them. My friend voice can be heard upstairs. Sorry if they are noisy. I really mind them. I will never. Alright, please tell them.
Who was that?
I tell you not to be noisy, have not I?
We're learning, Ma. We've been quietly sleeping with you.
Your voice reached the upper floor, and I hear someone yelling earlier.
That's pasti Nara. I will not yell if they did not act stupid. Your neighbor is overacting. We were that loud. They were loud, louding and hiding us all like crazy.
Enough, stop being noisy. Let's continue the assignment.
Who are they?
I don't know that I should have
My previous Luna's friend. Look at their girls. Keep this dress like that, huh? They're not like our generation.
See you. We gotta find unicorns. Hey, have you finished yesterday night assignment?
Not yet. I'll finish it after I get home.
Okay, I will check it tomorrow. Bye.
Okay, bye. Hi, Dinara. How is the group work? Everything's alright.
왜 난 너에게 다가갈수록 넌 내 곁에서 멀어지는지 난 너의 곁에 항상 숨을 쉬고 싶은데 넌 나의 맘을 모르니
Shit, you surprised me. You are scared? No. Why are you here? I just want to ask about yesterday's homework. Come here.
Kellen, what are you doing?
I'm just preparing my book for tomorrow, sis.
Have you eaten yet?
Not yet. After I finish this, I'll eat. Alright, don't forget to eat and get to sleep. Don't stay up late.
I never stay up too late.
If you don't sleep tonight, something will bother you later.
What do you mean? Go out!
Who was that?
First, I called it sleep last night. Midnight, honestly, me too. I was scared. The same? Wait, is we have the same problem? Guys? Oh, oh. When we were wrong, we should go apologize and not again.
I want to apologize as soon as possible, but how?
Let's just act so nice. It's the last word. Morning, everyone. Morning, ma'am. Please submit the assignment. I love you.
This ma'am, this is my group board.
Who are the members?
Kelly, Luna, Rosie, and Heather, but she did not have the assignment because she had to something take care of.
Alright, you may sit down.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bro, you know the jokes talking about I like the kettle. Do you want the lecture? Can you respect me while I'm preaching? You stood like Natasha with and paying attention during the lesson. See you everyone.
I'm sorry everyone, I did not expect assignment to be finished so quickly. I'm sorry I could have more.
What were you thinking? You should have made them to work on this assignment. Kellen is right. You should have the time.
I'm sorry, yesterday I had something important to take care of. I know, yesterday she even come to my house to ask about the assignment. Stop it, the most important thing is that the assignment is finished now. I agree with Runa. Do you want to go home with me? I still have something to do.
We want to meet your mother. Why do you want her? There's something we want to say.
You are proper, you want to say something immediately and appear properly as your host, Runa. We've already faced the consequences. Are you really? Forgive us, Runa. We were wrong last night to cheer of us your holiday. We want to say apologies, Runa, and promise not to say it again. What the mama? I call my mother. Mom. What is that? My friend wants to meet you.
Where are they? Alright, let's go over there.
Okay, Mom.
So, Yurek is speaking loudly and behaving improperly. Yeah, please forgive us, Mom Luna. We truly regret it. Alright, but before that, you must listen to a story. Long ago, there was someone who lived here. We always spoke rudely and had bad behavior. Many people disliked him, but he didn't care and kept his bad words and attitude until the end of his life. People say that he later regretted his action and began to destroy people who behaved like him in the past. We were not people like his former self. That is why the people long ago did not drive him away.
Do you understand now why I were you so silly?
Yes, we understand, Luna. Is there a way from us to apologize? Yes, apologize to the police and who come to you. I'll also apologize at the neighbors around here.
Aren't those details from yesterday? Yes, they are. Why are you here again? I don't know.
We were to apologize.
Apologies for what?
For our behavior.
So you finally realized your mistake.
Yesterday we say a bad thing about this building. What have you done?
No wonder the atmosphere in building was so early after we left.
You must apologize for what you've done. Everyone, please calm down. There I come to apologize.
If you want to apologize, go to the place where you caused trouble.
Yes, ma'am. We're very sorry.
I was put into in the downstairs toilet.
I should figure behind the health center in front of the apartment. Alright, apologize there.
Let's go.
Dirty.
Please forgive me. My friend and I promise that we will not speak rudely and will behave properly wherever we are.
Apologize for our rude words without your here. We truly promise to change. Let's get some light.
From here, we can see that main thing before an attitude is something we must apply wherever we are.